Hi, Tito Faye! Happy birthday po sa inyo. Happy 50th birthday po. Wishing you good health and happy life this year. Sana po marami po kayong birthdays na dumating. Thank you po sa lahat-lahat. Thank you po na marami. Bye-bye!
Hello! Happy birthday, Sister Faye. May you have many more birthdays to come. And wish ko lang na lahat ng dinidesire mo and lahat ng wish mo ay matupad for your 50th birthday, golden birthday. More blessings, good health, and more business to come, and peaceful life para sa iyo at sa family mo. God bless you and we love you. Happy birthday.
Tito Faye, pahabol po. Si Pongki po at si Justin. Go, go, go!
Happy birthday, Tita Faye. Happy birthday po, Tita Faye. Thank you for the food.
Sige po, bye-bye po. Ingat po kayo palagi.
Bye-bye.
Bye!
Go, go.
Hello, ma'am! Hindi po kami naglalakasya. Tingin lang po. Tatapos na po namin magtrabaho. Okay, so hindi po namin palalagpasin ito dahil ito po ay napaka-special po na birthday nyo. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! On behalf of the whole staff, we want to give to you happy birthday and your 50th birthday and your debut. May the Lord bless you more, and He will give you more strength to serve Him continually. And thank you for treating us, not just your staff, but as your children. And whatever values you have taught us, we'll never forget that. And thank you, and happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
First of all, I want to greet you happy 50th birthday. Tinatawa lang ako. English pa. Kailan ba? Hindi ka muna. Ikaw naman pinuputol mo kagad sana tol, huwag kang magsawa ng pagtulong sa akin. Maraming salamat sa mga tulong mo sa mga anak ko at saka sa akin. Baka gusto mo na anak ng lalaki. Hindi, okay na. Sige, yun lang. Okay. Happy birthday ulit. Thank you ulit.
Hi, Tol! Golden Girl! Happy birthday! Sana makita tayo dyan pagpunta ko dyan. Naalala ko katatapos nga lang pala nung aming anniversary. May naalala ko pero alam ko naalala mo rin siya. Pero hindi na natin magpakasaya ka. Salamat sa mga pagkaano mo sa amin. Yun lang, happy birthday.
Ayan, hi sister. Tapuy ka na, happy birthday.
Tita Faye, happy birthday.
Thank you for sa bahay, saka sa mga pagkain. And may you accomplish all your desires in life. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, God bless. Love you, Ma.
Tita, happy birthday. Ingat po kayo dun lagi. Hello po, Tita. Ano po, more birthdays to come. Good health po. Happy birthday po.
Ma'am, happy birthday, Ma'am! Happy birthday from King!
Hello, tita. Happy birthday! Dala mo naman ako, wala na trabaho pa ko. Wala na ako makain. Tingnan mo nga, pati fish na nalaruan ko niya, kain ko na. Nawa ka niya sa akin.
Kaya pala yung mansanas dito.
Birthday ulit.
Mansanas.
God bless you.
Lahat ng sinabi nila tungkol kay Tita Faye ay talagang tama yon. Then as a mother, thank you anak for the care and love that you give to everybody. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!